Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Pratham, and in this channel I show you paying websites and apps that have paid me personally to my PayPal wallet, PayPal account, or to my Bitcoin wallet. Okay, and in today's app I'm going to be showing you an app from which you can earn about 500 Satoshi a day. Okay, don't have to do any PTC, any short links, any of that stuff, which is like really stupid, and like also it takes a lot of time. Okay, and it's really frustrating too while doing them. In this you just have to watch one video ad every 20 minutes, and then you get paid Satoshi for that. You actually get paid in their tokens, in-app tokens, and those tokens convert to Satoshi. The tokens have their own value, of course, and you're paid automatically to your Bitcoin wallet, to your Coinbase wallet. Actually, you have to sign up to Coinbase for this, and if you don't have a Coinbase account, I'll leave a link to the leave a link in the description down below for the Coinbase. Okay, and also for the app. Okay, so let's just see what the app is right now. Okay, I'll just go to Play Store. The app name is free. Okay, free crypto BTC token. Fine, it's free crypto tokens BTC. Fine, this is the app right here. It's by eCode Network. Okay, they have paid me 3 times already. I'll be showing you proof to that also. They have paid me today also, so I'll just show you that. They do have a referral system. Okay, and I'll leave my referral code down below, and I'll really appreciate it if you use my referral code. It will help support the channel and encourage me to make more videos every single week. Okay, and you earn about 10% from referrals in this, and they pay you, as I said already, they pay you instantly, like into your wallet when you reach their withdrawal minimum, which is very easy. If you try it in just one day, you'll reach the withdrawal minimum easily. Okay, this is the app right here. Now I just got logged in instantly, but you will see a login or register prompt. Okay, there you can just put your Coinbase email. Okay, and then it will just and also below that there will be a referral code prompt there. Okay, blank. You can just put my referral code there, and it will help support me. Nothing will be taken from you. Okay, it will be paid as a commission by the app to me for inviting you. That's it. Just 10% of whatever you earn, the app will pay me. It will not be deducted from your balance. So I'll really appreciate it if you use my referral code. If you don't want to, it's absolutely fine. But I hope you earn well though, and I hope you're able to earn well from this app. Now this is the app. Really simple here. Okay, my payment has been sent. Fine. Next payment is on Wednesday, but I have to reach 10,000 tokens first. Every video gives you 100 tokens. Okay, I've already accumulated 300 after my payment. Okay, and I'm just gonna hit play. Now when I hit play, right, it's gonna start. It's going to start a new video ad actually. So I'll just wait for the video ad to finish, and you'll see that I have been paid 100 tokens. Okay, now when you reach 10,000 tokens, it will automatically pay you the following day, either Monday or Wednesday. If you reached your threshold on Sunday, you'll get paid on Monday. If you reached on Monday, you'll get paid the next time you play a video. Basically that time I didn't get paid now because like I think the ad got messed up or something, but I'll in 2 minutes I'll show you that again. Fine, no problem. Okay, so these are my wallet settings right here. As you can see, this is my Coinbase wallet right here. You can see. Okay, that's my referral code. Fine. This is my Coinbase wallet. Okay, and please don't make any multiple accounts in this. Okay, because that will get you banned. Don't try VPNs also, because that will also get you banned. Okay, and as they have paid me, I'm sure that they can also ban me if I do any of this stuff. So I have not done any of this. I don't have multiple accounts in this, and I'm just earning like properly. I'm not even trying any cheating method or anything. They do have rules here, as you can see. So in this you will get tokens, and then they'll be withdrawn into BTC. You can earn 100 tokens every 20 minutes. They can change the time and amount anytime, but I've been using this from like 2 weeks now or 3 weeks, and they have not changed anything till now. Also there's a referral system, as I said you. Okay, you can earn 10% from every referral that enter your referral code and reach 5,000 tokens. So if you reach 5,000 tokens, then I'll get 10% of that, but nothing will be deducted from your balance. I'll just get a commission from these people. That's it. So like if you reach 5,000, I'll be getting like 50 tokens, which is not much, but it'll be I'll really appreciate it if you do use. I'll be really grateful. You can't have multiple accounts. No, you can't create multiple accounts. All of the accounts will be banned, and the IP will be blocked forever. So don't even try. Okay, you will be blocked. Minimum withdrawal amount is 10,000 tokens, of course, and you can't use proxy. Fine, you will be banned. Okay, next, token value. As I said, the tokens have a value. Now 100 tokens right now is about 4 satoshi, which doesn't sound much, but when you start accumulating it, you actually get a lot of amount. The satoshi amount per token is based on the Bitcoin price. Right now the Bitcoin price is about 6,748. So right now for 300 tokens I have 13 satoshi. They show you rates in other cryptocurrencies also, but you are paid in Bitcoin. Okay. And then yeah, the referral side, and I'll also show you the task completed and everything that, and they also have like surveys. Okay. I get an average of one survey for every 2 days, but today I got 2 surveys. That's why I was able to reach my withdrawal threshold fast. Look, you will not get paid always for surveys. Sometimes the surveys might not pay because of the answers that you have given, but for me 3 surveys have not paid, but I don't mind because all my other surveys that I've done that have paid me actually. As you can see, this is my referral code right here. I can just copy code and then paste it or whatever. Okay. The next thing, the tasks completed and my payment history. As you can see right here, I have received payment from them right today itself. 17,800 tokens have been sent to my Coinbase wallet. I'll be showing the payment proof right now, and also I can show you the task completed, the surveys I completed. Today I completed one survey. As you can see here, 6,800 tokens. I actually completed 2 surveys, but the survey that I completed today, it will get confirmed by tomorrow or any other days. As you can see here, I have done 4 surveys till now in this properly. 3,000 tokens first, then 10,000 tokens, which was immediate withdrawal, then 3,000 tokens, then 6,800 tokens. So the surveys do pay in this. Okay, try to do the surveys, and you'll get 2 types of surveys: poolfish surveys and theorem research surveys. Now theorem research surveys in my region, they don't do much, but like for just starting the theorem research surveys you get about 600 tokens. So I mean, why not just do it? Okay. And poolfish surveys, of course, you will get from them. Just sometimes they don't pay out, but it's fine. Some Just trust them, and as you saw, I got paid, so you will also get paid. Fine. That's all for this one. Okay, and I'll show you that I'll be getting my tokens now. I'll be getting my tokens now. It's pretty easy app actually. At first it looked really skeptical to me, but then I tried it. I gave it a try, like in 2 days or 3 days. I tried to get to the threshold and see if they actually pay me, and they did pay me, so I was really happy. And now I'll be showing you the payment proof also. First I'll be showing my email, okay, which I got from Coinbase, saying that I have received. Okay, so as you see, 100 tokens were given to me, but more tokens were given to me. I don't know why is that, but I have no idea actually. But I don't know. I got paid more, so that's good enough for me. Okay, 700 tokens now. Okay, now I'll just go to my email and show you that I received an email from Coinbase getting my payment. Okay, so here's my email. Okay, and here is from Coinbase right here. Free crypto tokens. Fine, free crypto tokens from eCode network. As you can see right here, I have received 713 satoshi for 17,800 tokens. Okay, and I got those tokens. I got that much amount in just one day. Okay, just one day. So 713 satoshi in just one day, and I just said you 500 satoshi you can earn. So just from those surveys, I got more. Fine. So and I'll be showing you in my Coinbase also. I'll be showing you that in my Coinbase also right now. I have received from them, and you just saw that. Let me just show you in my Coinbase too. Bitcoin and my wallet right here. Received from eCode network. Thank you for using free crypto tokens. Then the app name was free crypto tokens, and I received my 713 satoshi. I'll show you my other ones also. This one was also from them. This was 870 satoshi. Fine. Then this one, another one here. This was about 600 satoshi. Okay, guys. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you found some value in this video, and I hope that I was able to introduce you to something new. Okay, and I hope you keep earning more and more, and to make you earn more and more, I'll keep bringing new and new videos. And to support the channel, do make sure to subscribe. Okay, if you found some value in the video, please like. Okay, and if you have any doubts, any complaints, any doubts, anything you want to ask me, just comment down below and I will make sure to reply to your comment. Okay, stay safe and be happy. Bye.